Fun facts that 90% of people don't know. Did you know that corn always follows a specific rule when growing kernels? They always grow in even numbers, never odd. Have you ever wondered if dogs and cats are related? They actually share a common ancestor called Miachis from millions of years ago. Try peeling duct tape in total darkness. It glows bluish light thanks to a phenomenon called triboluminescence. The invention of the mobile phone forever changed the way we communicate. The first one was invented by Motorola in 1973. Feeling angry? Washing your face with cold water stimulates your nervous system, which helps calm you down. Want to make wasabi spicier? Just add a pinch of sugar. It'll get even hotter for a brief moment. Which fruit has the lowest calories? Cucumbers are so light they hold the Guinness World Record for the least calorie-dense fruit. An ostrich has huge eyes, but did you know its brain is actually smaller than its eyeball? Where does crude oil come from? It's made from the remains of plants and marine life that lived thousands of years ago. How strong is the hair on your head? With around 100,000 hairs, it's theoretically strong enough to hold the weight of an elephant. What happens if water is cooled very slowly and evenly? It can stay liquid even below 0 degrees Celsius. This is called supercooling. How big does a star need to be for gravity to shape it into a sphere? Once it's over 300 kilometers across, gravity becomes strong enough to do this.